Here is something that has puzzled people for thousands of years. When you burn a big log, it slowly disappears until all that is left is a tiny pile of ash. So where did all the wood go? Did the fire simply destroy it? Today we are going to solve this mystery, atom by atom, and the answer connects right back to what we learned about atoms holding hands. Burning is really just a chemical reaction, and burning wood is mostly the carbon inside it, meeting oxygen from the air. Watch what happens. The carbon atom lets go, reaches out, and grabs onto two oxygen atoms from the air. Together, they make a brand new molecule, an invisible gas called carbon dioxide. But here is the crucial part. Let us count. We started with one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms, and we ended with one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. The very same atoms. Not a single one was created, and not a single one was destroyed. They just joined up in a new way. A reaction only ever rearranges atoms. So now, back to our burning log. It looks like the wood is being destroyed, shrinking down to almost nothing but a little ash. It really does seem like matter is just vanishing into the fire. For the longest time, that is exactly what people believed. But now you know the truth. The wood did not vanish. Almost all of its atoms floated up, and away as invisible gases, carbon dioxide and water vapor, rising into the air where you cannot see them. If you could catch every last puff of that gas and weigh it, along with the ash, it would weigh exactly the same as the original wood, plus all the oxygen it swallowed from the air. Every atom is still here. Nothing was lost. It just became invisible. Now, I would never ask you to just believe me. So let us prove it with a scale. Imagine we put some wood and the air around it inside a strong glass jar. Then we seal the lid up tight, so nothing at all can get in or out. We pop it on a scale, and it reads, let us say, 100 grams. Now we let the wood burn up completely, right there inside the sealed jar. The wood turns to ash and invisible gas. But because the jar is sealed, all that gas is trapped inside. So what does the scale say now? 100 grams. Exactly the same, right down to the last speck. And here is my favorite proof of all. When iron rusts, it does not get lighter. It gets heavier. Because the iron atoms are busy grabbing extra oxygen out of the air and holding on tight. Nothing lost. Something gained. So here is the wonderful rule. Every chemical reaction only rearranges atoms. It never makes them and never destroys them. When something burns, it is not destroyed. It just flies off as invisible gas. And if you seal it all up and weigh it, the amount of stuff never, ever changes. Just like energy, matter is never truly lost. Now, so far, all our reactions have happened in the open air or in the fire. But some of the most important reactions of all happen quietly, in water. When things dissolve and mix and swap partners in a liquid. Some of these make things taste sour, like a lemon. Others feel slippery, like soap. We call them acids and bases. And once you understand the tiny pieces, they are not scary or magic at all. That is where we go next. See you there.